Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have the Sally Hansen and Jelly Belly collab nail polishes video for you. About a month back, I saw a swatch video on the limited edition Jelly Belly and Sally Hansen Insta Dry nail polish collection, and you guys know that I went completely crazy to put my hands on this collection. I did go to my local Christmas tree shop. Unfortunately, I only found 3 or 4 polishes there, and then I went on a real hunt for these polishes so that I can complete my collection. I believe right now you can find a complete collection at Target, and they're popping up at different places, so you shouldn't have as much trouble finding them as I had when I found out that there is this new collection from Sally Hansen. In today's video, I would like to show you some swatches on the nail wheel. If you of course have any questions on these, then leave them for me in the comment section below. I will also leave for you the links to these polishes that I can find in the description box. And of course, if you like this video, then don't forget to thumbs it up for me. Any swatches on these polishes will be up on my Instagram account, so make sure that you are also following me there. And to make sure that you don't miss out on any of my live swatch videos in the future, then also hit the subscribe button. I would appreciate that a lot. Most of these polishes are 2-coaters. Some of them are leaning towards 3 coats depending on their consistency. Especially the lighter colors are more 3-coaters rather than 2-coaters, but all of the creams for me were 2 coats on the nail swatch wheel. Okay, I will jump into showing you some close-ups, and in general from the swatches I really like this collection. I do not have any unfavorites, so that's a good thing, and I am really happy that I was able to complete my collection because these polishes are pretty unique to drugstore, and I do like how Sally Hansen is stepping out of their comfort zone and create new finishes and formulas for their polishes. Thank you so much for stopping by, so keep watching.